That's a novel idea. It's like a great hobby now.
Super job, right, we'll give you a high visit and you can hop on this next.
Turning round then used to be done by 2 or 3 FD blokes lifting it from a corner on the back end, but we decided there's got to be an easier way, so this is the easy way. Buy a trailer jack, weld it to a bracket in the middle, lower it down onto the railway sleeper, turn the handle and jack up the rail bike. And it's on balance point, jacks the back end up first, push down, turn. And lower back down onto the track again.
This is the luxury version with the cushions then, isn't it?
It is, that's right.
First class one.
First class, that's third, I'm afraid. Have to take out the bumps and rattles. Both home-built machines. No one building them in the UK at all. There are makers abroad building them in America and Europe, and in Europe, rail bikes on disused lines is big business.
I saw some good Michael Portillo.
Yes, that's it. That's what was in Sweden. That's it. That's it.
That's all like stand-up bikes and going around.
That's right. Yeah, that's right. So yeah,
quite good.
it's all big business over there. But unfortunately in Britain we just haven't got the lines. You know, they're all run by preserve societies, and they're sort of in use most of the time, apart from the winter, which is where we hope to get in.
Yeah,
the winter period would be ideal, really. Hold it there, Mike. Hold it there. We'll go a bit careful over these points. Make sure we go the right way. Okay, down a bit, Mike. That's great. Thank you. Yeah, doing good. Okay, going on there.
Copied from the patent, an American patent by somebody called Paul Smart. They're very keen on these kind of things in America, rail biking with adapted road bikes. The patent's out now, like, you know, it's not an infringement of his patent, and I don't believe he ever made them exactly like this, because the photographs that we've seen are ones that he did build. And actually he sold some to the underground railways for tech inspection. They don't look like this really, and the plans don't work anyway. I've had to put other things on it to make it work. I suspect that most patents are like that. They don't give the whole game away. All built, you know, very much. I didn't really believe it had worked, and it's built a bit on a shoestring, you know. It's just leftovers and bits of It's a ceiling chipboard, roofing chipboard, and bits and bobs. It's just a simple matter. Here we go.
Everything's going to crash.